Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I have the Infinix Hot 10 Play for a quick unboxing and specifications check. Now the Hot 10 Play is different from the Hot 10 in a number of ways. For example, this phone has 4GB RAM and the biggest difference is that it has a very big battery at 6000 mAh and the front camera is a Waterdrop front camera. If you remember, the Hot 10 had a dot-in display camera. It only had 5200 mAh battery and it had 3GB RAM. So this one has a 6000 mAh power marathon non-stop playing battery. So let's check the other accessories over here. We have the SIM ejector tool. We have something new over here. First of all, we have the free screen protector. That's the free screen protector. And we have $1 over here. This is welcome to join X Club, one gold, X Club Gold Coin Bank. That's how it looks. I believe you just scan that. Over here you have the X-Pack registration process and the free phone case over here. This one is a little bit stiff than what I'm used to on Infinix products, but let's try it out. Fits perfectly. So at the bottom from the left of your screen you have the microphone, the micro USB port and the headphone jack over here. On the right side you have the power button and the volume buttons over here. At the back we have the dual camera setup with quad flash at the bottom over here. At first glance this looks like a quad camera setup, but this is just a sticker. They have the two cameras and the quad flash at the bottom over here. At the top we have this Waterdrop front camera over here, and I believe we have flash. We'll check that out when I come to testing the camera. The other accessories include a 2A charger, hands-free headset and a micro USB cable over here. And now the specifications. The Infinix Hot 10 Play has 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, 8MP front camera and a 13MP dual camera setup at the back over here. It runs on the Mediatek Helio G35 processor, which is a 2.3 GHz octa-core processor, and we saw that the battery capacity is 6000 mAh and the screen resolution is 720 by 1640, so this is a HD device. And finally, the Infinix Hot 10 is an Android 10 device. So out of the 64GB internal storage, the system has occupied 18%, leaving you 52.18GB, and the RAM is 4GB over there. I will do a separate Infinix Hot 10 Play screen recording video, so look for that later. Let's take an in-depth look into the sensors. First of all, the CPU. The CPU, like we saw, is a 2.3 GHz octa-core processor, and the processor is an MT6765V WB processor. So let's check the sensors. The fingerprint, we saw that the fingerprint is available, so let's start at the accelerometer. The accelerometer is available. Orientation sensor is available and working fine. Magnetic sensor is working. The proximity sensor is available and working. The light sensor is also available and working. The rotation sensor is available. The gyroscope is available, good for gaming. Gravity sensor is available. Temperature sensor and pressure sensor are not available, and as well as the humidity sensor is also not available. We have a game rotation vector sensor over here, which is also working. And finally, the step detector and step counter sensors are available. Now, when it comes to the camera, the Infinix Hot 10 Play is not a quad camera device. It's a dual camera device. We have the main lens and the AI portrait lens. and we have the quad flash at the bottom over here. So let's check the different picture sizes that we have. We have the 4:3, 1:1 and 20.5:9, with the biggest picture size being 13 megapixels. What about video? Let us check the different video recording capabilities. So the maximum video resolution that the Infinix Hot 10 Play can record is 1080p. So I can also see that the Infinix Hot 10 Play also has the slow motion recording feature, AI cam for taking photos, we have the beauty, bokeh and AR shot. So let me take a sample photo over here. And there you have the photo. When it comes to the front camera, these are the different picture sizes that we have. We have 4:3, 1:1 and 20.5:9, just like the rear camera. The biggest picture size is 8 megapixels at an aspect ratio of 4:3. What about video? The front camera can also record at a quality of up to 1080p, and I believe these video qualities are at 30 frames per second. So the other important thing is to check if the front camera actually has flash. So I'm just going to enable flash over here, and yes indeed, the Infinix Hot 10 Play has a single flash at the top over here. Now this is a sample video that I'm recording using the Infinix Hot 10 Play, and you can see how good the autofocus is. So that's it guys, that was my video. Please tell me in the comments below what you'd like to know about the Infinix Hot 10 Play, and I'll be sure to include it in my review as well as other videos that may follow. As for now, just wait for my Infinix Hot 10 Play screen recording video. So that's it. Thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.